coming to you from the gym where the Lady Gators are getting ready for the last home game ever. Let's talk about place value. Well, what digit do you see in the tens place? That would be 9. You've got 9 tens. Keep going. What digit do you see in the thousands place? That would be 1. You've got 1,000. As for the millions place, 5 millions. The ones place, that would be 8 ones. The 100,000s, we've got 200,000. The hundreds, 3, that's 300. And about the 10,000s, there is a 6 in the 10,000s place, so that is 6 of those 10,000s. Now, just for fun, these are all powers of 10, and we have the base 10 counting system. That's 8 of those ones, or 8 times 10 to the 0. 9 of the tens, or 9 times 10 to the 1. 3 of the hundreds, which is 3 times 10 squared. 1 of the thousands, 1 times 10 to the third. 6 times 10,000, that's 6 times 10 to the fourth power. 2 of the 100,000s is 2 times 10 to the fifth power. And the millions, 10 to the sixth power. Same as the number of zeros behind that 5 in the number 5 million. That's it for place value.